cart entity and it's a new quantity. So let me check, is it is a suspend function? Yes, it's a suspend function. If you not write a suspend function here, then that should be not work. So make sure we need to write suspend with the coroutines. So now moving back to our cart view model. Now it's need another method. It's for the remove the item. When the part is empty, so the lazy column we need one by one item. So that lazy column, let me write it down the modify things. It's one f whatever size is not used, that will use by that. So that we add the weight one. Also add the vertical arrangement should be the no. So I want here, I'm trying to launch this on the ViewModel scope. So I get the suggestion, like you are seeing. I added the Gemini as our Gemini. I added the Gemini and provide the context of our project context, so that it will showing the this kind of the implementation, like it's showing this type of the tips. So like this. Another thing is we need to pass is title. Second thing is the on increase, on decrease. Past product ID, not ID. So make sure ID would be automatically increment by the room. So that's it. I mean, need to use our cart module in a So our application is work. Let me show you. Model. Here we pass our product. Get from the repository. Get cart item by product ID. Cart item that of product cart entity. This we pass the first product ID. Argument is cart item should be the our where there is for the we are calling to the add newly item and existing item. So uh, if the item is exists, then we need update quantity only. We'll add the product and let me check if it's added to the room database or not. So I will run my applications. My device is already connected. I'll just re-enter it. Another thing will not return anything. That should be the right with the suspend. Okay. So if existing item not equal to null, then we get the error. So I'm got the meaning of error if I'm copy paste the code. Let's see all things are working or not. And provide its body part. So for the get all items, answer insert item should be the cart item. So we need to like this cart entity cart repository body part, or you can say that cart repository implementation. Should be that should be in our data layer. Not written. So here that we no need to add suspend function here because function that was suspend modifier must not be written a defender the part update the card item. However, the DAO class should be annotated with the DAO. Whenever we add then that plus is in. Okay, so that's it of the add card. Now moving back to the product detail screen. So here on the button, click the cart item, else delete the cart item, click the copy, and here we pass the quality equal to new quantity. Else we add repository dot insert item cart item. Okay, so that's it for our add cart item use case. So let me use it. So we'll going back to the here and add cart use case. We use the flow for that. So we write the init here and write the get cart item function. Yeah, it's coming right now. Hidden type should be the list of no need to write it down, but we generally write it. Our get cart item is empty here, so we need to add things on that. So let me use the view model scope here. So whenever view model is destroyed, then automatically that close the calculate. Yeah, it's not getting any error. We can do the casting. Let check by let me check if it's not working, then we do the things. So after the run project. So now moving back to the our card screen. We note if the providers the card. There is no project, no card item here. Things. Let me come here. We need to iterate each card item. We not showing anything right now, but let me check. Go to our product details screen. No, yeah. So basically, we are not creating cart list right now, but everything is added. Let me check with the database. So here we have an option of the check the database. Oh, let me log. Let me read the log properly. So yeah, main activity channel broken will disposable. Here we add the total price value equal to the items dot sum of cart item calculated from the get cart item use case. Here is the screen. I added that whiteboard dated link for the instance. Let me add the main things. So I added SSD, add to cart 2 times, 3 times. Okay, so let me run the query one again, and here you can see that the this will swing. So that's it for the today. We are in this video we are like implement the room database, and we add many things, and in the next video we are using all this method and integrate over the cart screen. So for this we are using this the description, other description. Here we need to iterate it, each item, so we need to use on each, and that on each returns items. So let me run it again. Now would delete the card item card entity. So this will be the data from our paste by. We need to change it. So now here we need the items should be the list of items, and that will be the cart items. So these are the new things. I never see this. Delete all cart item. Now dot get cart item. Like let me check with the remove cart item. Also this we need an inject total function we've written. Now we need to update quantity function. Okay, so now it's working or not. Let me check. So price it not quantity. Credit card item use case. We need to provide a object using a module. So card screen you require the view model. So we use the card view model here, and there is a need its state value. So one is the cart items, and for this we need this item, this method. First on this, so it's also inject the constructor, and value we need cart repository here. So let me write it. So take the cart entity. Here we add some safe cases. So we need to deal with our quantity. So here we pass the new quantity. So I hope you like this video, and like do the subscribe. So this is our card. Here I write it down the items. Same thing is required for the total price. So we update the total price on the bottom. Then we pass the latest quantity. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like my work, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And if there are any doubts, if you have any doubts, then write it on comment. I will help you also. So it's taking too much time to making this type of video. So please like and share and subscribe the channel. If I will add the all the code in this description. I will add the code or the GitHub link in the description. If this using this video it's reach like a 500 subscription and 1,000 like. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. And write one function. This will remove the data from our room database. Calculate total, each item is passed, item use case, and pass the cart entity. Here we enter it, but I'm not able to do this. Don't know why it's happening. We need to create one component about the cart item. Things are done now. So let me create it. This will be our common component. You can add it. It's giving a error. Sometimes suggestion is the problem. I need to hear why it's giving a error. Let me do the same thing for the update also. So after the else part is done, we need to add a spacer. The view model scope we launch. So go to the app inspection and select the database instruction. Select the database inspector and wait sometimes. So here you can see that our cart item is like looking like this. This first we add the heading. For that I am using a text component. Text component here. Another one is the total price. Now we first add the column. So over here there is a function that invokes the here we add the spacer launch in X will be the shopping cart. Eligible will be zero. Style should be the coming from the material. We add the row. Maybe it's incompatible with that, so it's giving the return type. So it's giving the error. Material theme dot typography dot headline medium. We need to show the our total. So we need the row for this. So welcome back, and I found the issue. We need to create a cart module that we are not creating. So basically DI required the provider and the module and whatever we need, then inject it. So I thought I created the module and I've created, but it's for the room database. We need to create a module also from our cart DTO. So let's create it. Modifier equal to modifier, and it's provided like this, and take the full width that we'll use here. Next bit, and horizontal arrangement should be the arrangement space between. So you can see that the two items here added. So let me edit another item and check it. So quantify it should be the take.bold. Another thing is the modifier bottom 60 dp. Now showing the list. So first we need to check our cart is empty or not. If it's empty, then we check constructor from the repository. Not showing anything. So let me check. Launch our coroutine that update the use case of the. So in the feature cart on the DI we add the cart module, creating one file that called cart module. The cart item is null or empty. Then we saw text on the box layout. So what it's a abstract class. Here function should be the and annotated with the module the new quantity less than or equal to 0. Also at this it's singleton type and it's a bind. So here it's a new word bind. So basically it's a also type of singleton also. Should be the vertically alignment should be center vertically. Need to add total eyes and it's the title large and we need same things for this one. Here the value should be the in dollar. Some icon not showing here. I don't know what was the reason. Let me check with the library. So we can create cart item here also. I create here because that cart item not using anywhere in our project. Format of to price. Okay. Let me run it over again. With the ball. Here I can see that this is a new code. I need to call it. So let me check with our now graph. We need to call our cart screen. Clean the project and we'll run it once again. So that valid case and Start. Let me write it down, composable function cart item here. So cart item, that will take some things. First one is our cart entity, another one is it's taking a click, so one is the on increase, another one it's taking on decrease also, and another thing is take the on remove or the on delete. So these three things it will take. We can arrange it, and here it simply we need to create a view for this, so we use the card view here. So first thing is the elevation, so we get from the card default, and the card elevation default elevation should be the 4 dp. And another thing is modifier. Now not taking now controller, sorry, another thing is modifier equal to the modifier click on fill max it. Okay, so let me need to annotate it. We need to write it down like this. And take card screen error is gone. We can do the same for the profile screen also. It will have, but we don't design that. We can put the profile screen as well also like this. So that's it for the, let me check my mobile. Hope it's working. Let me see. It's work or giving any error. We provide the source code also if the subscription and the likes are reached to the 100 video on this video. We need to use looking like this. Things like there are in previous one icon is also missing. It's in the like in our product detail screen. Video પૂરો થવા આવ્યો. This video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for the upcoming video. We do this kind of the videos related to Android. So these things we need to use. Let me copy with another project. Video મારો ને screen અને edit કોણ કરશે? તેલ નાખી દે મમ્મી બળીને રાતથી ગઈ છે ખબર નહીં. Time to syncing. Let me till screen there is a start at the arrangement also. So vertical arrangement should be the alignment center vertically. Now on this we need image and other things. So for this we use the column, and the weight of the is 1f. Here we get the star. Previously that icon not getting, so I'm re-adding it. So our rating bar is showing the rating now. So it's previously it's showing, but it's both are same color star, so that's why it's not showing. Let me move back to our card screen. After we saw the arrange the code, Control Alt Shift L, whole file. Now we need to add our text. First we need use the image, and that image is in the row. We'll add it here later. So title and price are added. Here we use the, now we need to one another button for the increasing part. So that icon should be the add, and the content description should be the increase. Adding a glide image should be the item. Here what we think cart item, it's a cart item. cart item dot image should be the delete. We need to use the our code total price that we are not using. So content description should be the and CDP with the text modifier should be the heading and with so dp we need to use this in our here title did like this will end it now we need remove button. So I think that here is done. In the row we show the image, after in the column we show the price and the title. The content scale should be the fit. Need to show the our plus minus quantity buttons. It's showing in the row. Write it down the row here. Vertically arrangement equal to the alignment dot center vertically. And here we use the icon button. On click it we first doing the things for the on decrease. Icon should be the minus. So the image vector equal to icons include material icons should be default, and its remove means the minus sign. And take the application run. Let's see the result. I'm adding this item 2 times. Add this 1 times. Moving to the cart. Yeah, it's showing, but this should be the delete icon and not remove, and it should be the its title next line. We can view it to the 2 lines. So let me change it. So it's our cart item. So on the card there is a presenter layer, there is card screen, and for the delete it should be the delete icon, and the title should be the next line get me done. So there is another issue with the categories. So I get the category, but it's not updated, I think. So we'll check this also after this fix. So here we need to pass our selected category. So get product should be the copy, and is loading is true. Moving to the home screen, so issue with the get category use case. Get categories loading. Check the cart directly. Yeah, it's looking good now. In the home screen, on the click of the select category, we get the issue. Taking the view model to in the get value get product is loading its tool. Select category is equal to category, and we need to view the our products data also. I think there is an issue in the program and check if the selected category equal to category. So basically it's working or not. Let's check. Basically we not here the items. So the endpoint it will on the our. Let me check with the endpoint. Data layer. One is a product and another one is a product ID. So there is a this type products dot categories and product dot categories and the category. Now here it's a category, not a categories. So change this, and after this I think that application is work. Let me checking with that also. So yeah, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. So yeah, it's now we check. Yeah, it's working all this now. Hit the like button and subscribe to the my channel.